Hi everyone, this is my first video on Tekla automation tool. I have built one vertical bracing tool. I hope you will like this and you may comment down below and let me know if you want some new update on the same. So I will give a brief introduction on this tool. So this is the Visual Basic, and this tool has been built under C# programming. So this is the overall tool, and we have the Tekla here. So I will give you quick information about all the parameters what we have to enter it. So here on the top we have types. I mean, on which type you want to place your bracing. User can choose the name of it, and even they can save it for later use. Currently I have saved some T type, H type, L type bracings, so we can use it quickly. And other than that, user can save according their requirement. So basically, all the parameter up to this rotation offset, all the parameter will be saved under the save type whatever you give. Let's suppose we keep it as a ABC. So if user has put it as a ABC, maybe you will put some class as a 7 or something, whatever you like. Just simply put the name and change whatever you want to change, and simply click on the save button. So you will see that one more parameter will be a type will be shown here as a ABC. So you can do it based on your project or your requirement, and simply you just have to save it, and you can use it later on. Even after if you will close this program and you want to use it after again, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can simply choose it from here as well. So that is the one thing. And also we have placed as a delete button as well. If something has been created which is not appropriate, so you can change it, and or you can delete it as well. For example, if I am deleting it, automatically you will see that ABC has been removed. So and the one more thing, if you want to change something in the T type only, let's say I want to change it to 6, so simply I have to click on the save, and automatically it will be saved. For example, if I go to H type and again I'm coming back to T type, you will see that 6 has been saved here. So we'll keep as a 4 only, and we'll save it. Next type what we have is the bracing type. Here we have two bracing. One is V and the second one is X. uh, X type bracing. User can keep name whatever they want. I'm just simply using this bracing. Profile, user can put directly here, or they can choose from here as well. Currently I have kept some HA profile, HEB profile, and we can add more if we wish to add. And we have L type, U type, and all the parameters, whatever, I mean all the profiles whatever we required. After that we have material. Here you can put whatever material you want, and it will be placed in the member as well. Again, this is the class, uh, and here we have a bunch of plane types. I mean the rotation, plane, and depth. What the same parameter which we have in the Tekla, the same parameter we have over here. Just user has to select it once, and they can save it to their profile. Currently I have used it and saved it into my T type. So this parameter will be used, all the parameters right for the T type. And this is the brace 2. Two brace will be placed. One is like this, and second one like this. So for first brace we have this brace 1 parameters, and for second one we have this brace 2 parameters. So after that we have this vertical bracing offset. This vertical bracing is, once you will click on the button, you will see the what it is. So here if we have the first bracing, which needs to be kept little bit upside, I mean little offset if it is required, then we can simply use this parameter. For example, if we are putting this first bracing and we want to keep it from 150 from the 0 0 level, so we can simply use that 150 here, or even we can go for 300 or 400, whatever as per your requirement. Right now we just simply keep as a 150 This is the horizontal offset. Normally what we have that once we place the bracing, in the bracing we will keep one we may require to after the placing of the bracing, we will be providing the connection, and in this connection we will be having the gusset plate. So while placing the gusset plate, we have to move our bracing towards 5 towards east or west or north or south side, or 10 based on the gusset plate thickness. So for that we have this two parameters. If it is on the x side, so simply we can see that we have this x type towards us, we can see over here as well, and the y type towards right side. So based on this we just have to simply keep in the our uh, tool. So if it is x side, uh, then simply I have to put it minus, and if it is plus side, then simply we have to put it on the plus side. So same goes for the y direction as well. If it is our structure is rotated and then we want to move it on the y direction, y plus or y minus, we just simply have to assign that dimension over here. After that we have bracing working point. Bracing working point, normally what in the structure I have seen that normally we keep our bracing on the center of the beam, from the bottom frame to center of the beam, and again center of the beam. But yeah, in some cases in some standard, we also find out that if the member size is more than 300 then we just have to simply keep offset 150 from the bottom, and the above bracing will be offsetted from the 150 from the top. So same I have kept over here. If you wish to just simply place it on the midpoint only, then simply you have to click it here, and if you wish to keep it on the top, then it will be on the top. If you want to wish on the center, you can keep it on the center. So based on your requirement, you can simply choose the parameter from here as well. And member size greater than uh, whatever greater than we want to put it. Let's say if your standard allows go up to 400 you just simply have to put it here 400 if your standard allows to go up to 500 you can do the same. So currently what I have seen, I just kept as a 300 and once the member size exceed 300 it will offset by 150 from the bottom or top, right? So now how we have to place the bracing. Simply we have to click the two columns. This will be defining then uh, between which column you want to place the vertical bracing. Then after, you just simply have to select the members. For example, I have selected those members. Now I just have to go into my tool. I right now just deselect this beam midpoint only, and I will keep it as the center of the beam, and just I will apply it. Yeah, so as you can see, our bracing has been placed. This one, as you can see, it is 150 from the bottom, and on the above one also you can see that it is 150 from the top. So it is applied everywhere. This member I have kept intentionally on the 500 HA 500, so it is more than, its depth is more than 300 so it automatically took that 150 criteria. And apart from that, if you can see, this all other members are below 300 depth, so you will see that all the members are kept on the center of the beam, right? So this program will automatically find out which member is more than your defined criteria. If it is more than 300 mm or 400 mm, whatever you kept, and the uh, on the placing time, this will automatically choose accordingly and place the bracing as per your instructions. So this is the one thing. Now we will see it for the angle type as well. So here we have angle type. See, this I kept two angle type. I will show both of them why I'm using these two angle types. So one is first angle type. We simply, again, we have to just click on the members, select the members. Simply we can apply it. We can use express as well. I just simply now we will use express. Previously we have used vbrace, so we have to apply it. So you will see that this angle has been placed. uh, Also I want to show you the gap, how the gap will be placed. So simply I will delete it and place with the gap. Let's say I want this bracing to be, you know, with 10 mm gusset plate, right? So I'm assuming that we have 10 mm gusset plate, so we simply have to put it minus 5 mm on the x side, as we are seeing that x is on this direction. So now again we will select all the members. Now once it is selected, apply on it. Now keep it as a selected. We will place the back-to-back angle as well, so you can place the twin profile as well. We do not have direct profile, direct type for the twin profile, because some of the limitation of the program. But yeah, we can do it, you know, on this the twin profile as well. Just simply have to go for the L2 type. I just saved those two types. User might require to do it once. I mean, they may take some time while doing it for the first time, and next time you will not be required to doing it, right? So I will be selecting the L type 2 and simply place it on the apply button. Now you will see that we have, oh sorry, I forgot to, you know, uh, put it plus 5 mm, so it was overlapping the previous one. So here we have to keep it as a 5 mm, because the last one was we have kept minus 5 mm. So this one we have to keep it as a plus 5 mm. So yeah, okay, it is placed, and you can see this member has been, all the profile has been placed, and 10 mm gap has been created over here, right? uh, Everything will be settled down as per our requirement. As you can see, this is this one as well. So it is kept 150 from the top and 150 from the bottom. Everything has been settled here as per our requirement. Thank you.